Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do progressions, exercise 6.3 in that first problem. That is, find the sum of the following APs. In that first problem, 2, 7, 12 and so on, 10 terms. See here, in this arithmetic progression, we have to add all the 10 terms which are present in this arithmetic progression. We all know that sum of n terms of an AP Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. By using that formula, we need to find the sum of arithmetic progression, isn't it? So here, first one, a. First one, a is equal to 2. Next, common difference, d is equal to a2 minus a1. a2 is nothing but 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Here common difference d is equal to 5. Next one, number of terms n is equal to 10. But we all know that sum of n terms in an arithmetic progression Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See here, n is nothing but 10. 10 by 2 into 2 into a. What is the value of a here? 2. 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. N is here 10. 10 minus 1, 9. So 9 into d. D value is 5. Next, 2 ones are 2 fives are. See here, 5 into 2 twos are 4 plus 9 fives are 45. Now you will get 5 into 49. Now 5 nines are 45. 5, 4, 5 fours are 20. So 245. Sum of the terms which are present in this arithmetic progression is 245. Next, see here we need to write S10 up to 10 terms. Next one, second one. Coming to the second arithmetic progression, that is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and so on, 12 terms. So here a is minus 37 and the common difference d. We can find a2 minus a1 or else a3 minus a2 or else a4 minus a3. Also we can find. So here a is equal to minus 37. Next common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1. What is a2 here? Minus 33. Next a1 is nothing but minus 37. So minus of minus 37. Now we will get minus 33 plus 37. So its answer is 4. Common difference d is equal to 4. Next, number of terms n. n is equal to 12. Next, we all know that basic formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So here n is nothing but 12. 12 by 2 into 2a. A value is minus 37 plus n minus 1 into d. N is nothing but 12. N minus 1 is nothing but 11. 11 into d. That is 4. Is it clear or not? We need to substitute the values. That's it. So here this will be S10. S12. N is nothing but 12 now, so S12. Now 2 ones are 2 six are 6 into 2 into minus 37. 2 into minus 37 we will get minus 74. 2 sevens are 14, 1, 2 threes are 6, minus 74. Next, 11 fours are 44. Is it clear or not? Next we will get 6 into minus 74 plus 44. We will get minus 30. So 6 into minus 30 we will get minus 180. Minus 180. Sum of 12 terms in this arithmetic progression is minus 180. Coming to the third problem, 0.6 comma 1.7 comma 2.8 and so on to 100 terms. We need to find the sum of all the terms which are present in this arithmetic progression. So basic formula, we all know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Am I correct? So here a is nothing but 0.6. A is equal to 0.6. Next, common difference, d is equal to a2 minus a1. So here a2 is nothing but 1.7 minus a1, that is 0.6. So here we will get 1.1. 1.1 is the common difference d. Next, number of terms in this arithmetic progression, 100. So n is equal to 100. After that, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is nothing but 100. So S 100 is equal to n by 2. What is the value of n here? 100. 100 by 2 into 2a. So 2 into a value 0.6 plus n minus 1. N is nothing but 100. N minus 1 means 100 minus 1, 99. So 99 into common difference, that is 1.1. Is it clear or not? Next, 2 ones are 2 50s are. So 50 into 2 into 0.6, 1.2 we will get, plus 99 into 1.1. See here, 99 into 1.1 means first multiply 99 with 11. So here we get 9, 9, 9, 9. So 9, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 1089. So here we will get 108.9. 108.9. 99 into 1.1 we will get 108.9. Next one, 50 into 1.2 plus 108.9. We need to add 108.9. Next 1.2. 9 plus 2, 11. Next 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So here 110.1. Next, after that, this can be written as 50 into 1101 divided by 10. This decimal point I am expressing as decimal fraction. So 110.1 we can write as 1101 divided by 10. One decimal digit is there. So if you are going to convert this decimal point into decimal fraction, in the denominator we need to write by 10. Suppose if we have two decimal digits, in the denominator we need to take 100. So here we have only one decimal digit. In the denominator we need to write 110. So 0 gets cancelled. Now 5 into 1101. If you multiply you will get 5, 5, 0, 5. 5 into 1, 5, 5 0, 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So now the answer is 5505. Next, after that, coming to this fourth problem, arithmetic progression is 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 and so on, 11 terms. So here A is equal to 1 by 15. Next, common difference, D is equal to A2 minus A1 here I am considering. Now A2 minus A1 is equal to, A2 means 1 by 12. 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. A1 is 1 by 15. So we need to take LCM for 12 and 15. So what is the LCM for the 12 and 15? Take 3 table. 3 4s are, 3 5s are. See here, these two are co-prime numbers. No need to take one side. So 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. LCM is 60. After that, each and every fraction we should multiply with LCM. So here 1 by 12 into 60. 12 ones are, 12 5s are. Now the value is 5. So here we need to write 5. What is the symbol here? Minus. Next, each and every fraction we should multiply with LCM. That is 1 by 15 into 60. 15 ones are, 15 fours are. So here value is 4. Now the result is 5 minus 4 by 60. We will get as 1 by 60. 1 by 60. Next one. See here, LCM is 60. After that, if we multiply each and every fraction with LCM, we will get 1 by 60. A2 minus A1 is nothing but 1 by 60 we got. Next, number of terms, n is equal to 11. N is equal to 11. So basic formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the basic formula. See here, n is nothing but 11. 11 by 2 into 2a. So a is nothing but 1 by 15. So 2a, 2 into 1 by 15. See here I am writing 2 into 1 by 15 plus n minus 1. N is nothing but 11. So 10. N minus 1 is nothing but 10 we will get. N is 11. 11 minus 1, 10. So 10 into d, common difference, 1 by 60. Is it clear or not? After that, 11 by 2 into 1 by 15. 2 by 15 we will get. Next, plus 10 into 1 by 60. These two things gets cancelled. Now the value is 1 by 6. 1 by 6. After that, 11 by 2 into, see here, 15 and 6. What is the LCM for the 15 and 6? See, take here, 15, 6. Take 3 table. 3 5s, 3 2s. So 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30. LCM is 30. After that, what we have to do? We need to multiply each fraction with LCM. So 2 by 15 into 30. See here, 2 by 15 into 30. 15 ones, 15 twos. 2 twos are 4. We are getting 4. What is the symbol here? Plus. Next, 1 by 6 into LCM. That is 30. 6 ones are, 6 5s are. 5 ones are, 5. So here we will get 5. Is it clear or not? After that, see here, 11 by 2 into 4 plus 5, 9. 9 by 30. 9 by 30. See here, by using 3 table we can cancel. 3 3s, 3 10s. 11 into 3, 33 by, see here, 33 by 2 into 10, 20. 33 by 20 is the answer. Or else we can convert this one into mixed fraction, no problem at all. So here value is 33 by 20. Okay, thank you.